Hello again. We have over here an Abus, uh, Abus Titalium Abus. Come on, Brian. Thank you so very much. Model 6040/35. Try it again. Let's try. Lock. Track. Work. Perfect. Bottom of ice. I'm gonna use bottom of keyway tension for this operation. And a deforest diamond. Yep, perfect. Let's see how we got over here. The camera gonna my hand gonna cover all the camera. Nice. And you're not gonna see nothing but track. I just lift the second pin and just push the fourth and the third and fourth. That's it. Let's try again. I get this is a very lucky lock for my experience. Yeah, sometimes gonna be easy as drinking a cup of water, and sometimes gonna be fucking horrible to lock up. Like for example, right now, it's fucking horrible. Let's push the second pin. Let's push the other pin on the side. Ah! Here we go. Let's try again. Let's push it out also. People, you're cheating. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe I don't know. I don't know how to read. There we go, again. I hope this video gonna be useful. I don't know. I hope so. Have fun, thank you so very much.